In this video, I'm going to be reviewing how we can connect the iPad to the Mac to do the universal control, my tips and tricks on my thoughts on using this versus Sidecar, and also other useful things on how to do it. So let's get started. Once you pull up your systems, you could just simply go to display, and then on the bottom left, when you add a display, you'll see the new option to connect to the iPad and share the keyboard and mouse. So that's all you do, and once you click that button, it should then go back here to this screen and show you where the iPad is located. You can adjust this if it's on the left or the right. So now that it's connected, you can simply just scroll to the direction that your iPad is connected, and it should work in that you're able to scroll up and down, use the keyboard. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that you want to make sure that your natural scrolling selection is in tune with what you have set on your device, because that way you want to have the settings matching what your MacBook settings are, so you don't have a weird interaction there. So it's also possible to still connect this with Sidecar, and you just simply go back to the display settings and add the display to mirror. It should automatically connect, and note that you can't do the shared control and Sidecar at the same time. But you can see here that you're still able to extend the desktop, but if you really pay attention, though the functionality is better, there is some quality loss and even some lag compared to just a native iPad Pro thing. My recommended setup is to just use it as something that's really static or some media, so you could have text message and messenger up at the same time. Fortunately, there's no WhatsApp on iPad native, or theoretically you could have Reddit up, a browser up, Twitch, anything of that nature, YouTube, to browse things. But just note that the audio from the iPad won't connect over to the Mac, so you won't be sharing that audio. So that's been my quick take on how to use universal control and also how it compares to Sidecar. Let me know in the comments which ones you prefer and how you're enjoying the Sidecar experience. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.